Aggressiveness. Tiger and lion, the strongest big cats in the world. If we compare these two animals at the point of aggression, we can say that the tiger is more aggressive. Although lions are strong in general, tigers are in fact stronger. They are more muscular, more active, and have better agility compared to lions. Tigers in general can be more ferocious than lions. The logic is simple. Tigers are normally solitary creatures. Lions are social. Tigers have fewer methods to fall back on if they fail to protect their cubs than lions. Lions and tigers are in no way aggressive to humans. They don't find us all that threatening, but if you're near one and it's hungry, it will eat you. Muscularity. Tigers have more muscles in almost all regions of their body. A tiger has 72.6% muscle mass and a lion has 58.8% muscle mass. Clearly, the tiger is much stronger. Muscle translates to pure strength. Tigers and lions are the most muscular animals in the world after hairless chimps. Bite force. These big cats bite very strongly. The lion has a bite force of 650 psi. The tiger bites down at 1050 psi. Even though a lion's bite is weak, although still 6 times that of a human, their jaws are only one weapon in their arsenal. The tiger has longer canine and slightly longer mandibles. The lion has bigger incisors and same canines, but they are slightly shorter than the tigers. Both animals have powerful jaws, and lion's jaws are designed for a precise bite. Big cats like lions and tigers can crush bones with their bite easily. It's like a person eating candy. Athletic. Lion and tiger are among the most athletic animals in the world. Tigers are very good climbers. Most lions don't really climb trees unless they are really motivated by food or a threat. Tigers are much better at climbing. Tigers' hind legs are really strong. A fully grown tiger can leap over 8 meters and jump up to 5 meters vertically. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour for short distances and leap as far as 11 meters, almost the length of a school bus. Lions enjoy relaxing and lazing around. They spend between 16 and 20 hours each day resting and sleeping. Lions have terrific night vision. Intelligence. Unfortunately, we have no other evidence to suggest that tigers are more intelligent than lions. In evolutionary terms, brain size has usually been linked to intelligence, and tiger's brain is 16% bigger than lion. Thanks for watching.